What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing another car part on the Supra. It feels like forever since we've done an install of any car part. We're about to hit the track next month, so there are a few parts that I do want to get on the Supra, like brake pads, brake fluid, and today we're going to be installing a new sway bar. A90 shop helped me get a front sway bar from Eibach because we're going to be hitting the track soon. And I want to be able to stiffen up the chassis and reduce some body roll when going in turns. Do I need it? I don't know yet. First time on the track, but I gotta have it. Shout out to Will at A90 Shop for helping me source one so quickly and getting it to me before our track day. We also have Phil here. He's the first one here. A lot of the other homies are supposed to come already. And we're gonna be barbecuing at Phil's house. He prepared a feast for us, so maybe you guys could see some food later, but they're supposed to be here at 12 and it's 12:10. So lonely. Where are you guys? While we wait for them to come, I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the car and remove the skid plate so we can start the install, and then we'll go ahead and unbox the sway bar. It's over? Yeah. Quick jacks, lifesavers, guys. Highly recommend to invest in if you work on your cars at home. All right, while we wait for the boys to come, me and Phil, we're gonna go ahead and crack a beer first. Cheers, brother. The fucking camera caught that. Oh.
Nasty!
Whoa, fast boy! Fast boy, Brett! Damn, it's been a minute since we've all gotten in touch.
Yo, Matrix gang.
Yeah, bro.
What's up?
Where's Jimmy?
Dude, Jimmy got the COVID, you guys. He came back from a 3-week trip. I haven't even seen him yet. The most I talked to him, he was all the way across the driveway.
This is weird as hell. Everybody showed up in their daily. What the fuck?
What's up?
Tell everybody about your new daily, bro.
All right, let's give you the walk around. Come on, let's go. So this is my new to me 2006 BMW X3.
Yeah.
Fuckers mint. Got it on OfferUp. I got it for a steal. Look how mint the interior is.
Give him to the walkthrough.
All right, give it the walkthrough right here. Look right there. Oh, shout out to Dan, by the way. He got me the Coffee Holics. If you know, you know. Interior's clean. Yes, sir. Daily gang.
Dude, everybody bought the daily. Duncan's daily, Brett's daily, Dan's daily. Phil's
And then Phil's race car.
All right, y'all, we ran into an issue. It's fucking worse than I thought. Holy shit, Brett, explain to him what happened.
So, because of race car and the low life, Vin has decided to scrape all this hardware off, damn near flat. Every single one of these screws on my side is completely shaved off, and we're gonna have to figure out a way to get them off.
This side's okay, it's just a little rusted, but look at this. Everything has been flattened out.
It's all on this side. Wow.
Not even rounded out, flattened out. Like, how the hell do I even extract these?
Is this from your driveway?
It probably is.
It's all on this side, you notice?
Yeah.
Eventually.
All right, guys, I finally fucking did it. Woo! Oh, I think that took like 40 minutes. Holy fuck. Oh! Yeah.
I mean, we did smack the shit out of that on the artist.
Yeah. Here. Oh, dude, the splitter's taking a beating, bro.
Dude.
Every time it scrapes, I can just smell the burn.
Yeah.
Literally, everybody showed up in their dailies. Who even likes cars anymore?
Nobody. Cars are overrated.
Fuck a car. Fuck cars. Fuck the next ones. Hey.
This is the cleanest underside of a BMW I've ever seen. Not a single drop of oil.
Bro, it's a Toyota.
Hey, 10 pounds of short ribs, bro. What do you mean? And steaks. Yeah. And crab legs.
That's pretty heavy. Initially taking this off, I thought this was heavy. Holy fuck! This sway bar is way heavier. Holy shit. Look at the OEM one versus this one. Here, Addy, hold both up. Dude, I thought this was heavy when I first took it off, and then I touched this one. Holy fuck. How much times heavier do you think?
At least 3.
3 times heavier?
At least 3.
Dude. So I've been telling Addison and Shabby that they gotta start a YouTube channel. Is it gonna happen, bro?
It'll happen.
Come on,
It'll
bro.
happen.
No more
I
waiting.
know.
You know, honestly, you guys could take the ZV1 today.
I'm down.
And I want to see a vlog by next week.
I gotta do something then.
Huh?
I gotta do something. The weekend.
Dude, the sway bar was the easiest thing to do. Alright, so we couldn't finish on time, and it's time to go to the barbecue. We'll finish tomorrow, but let's roll! Fastest car here, all-wheel drive, baby. Woo! I thought that was gonna be a lot cooler, but we were like, we gotta slow down to 30 miles per hour just to get those rollers. And Phil, we just got Phil's house, starting up the grill. Ooh, dude, this shit's hot. Thank you, Phil. Thank you, Rochelle.
Thank you, Rochelle.
All right, everybody say hi to Jimmy.
Hi, Jimmy!
Cheers.
So going forward.
Damn.
Yeah.
Ooh, Phil finished cooking. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Ben, you good, bro?
That's what I said.
I gotta throw up.
No, don't rub it. Don't rub it.
I'm not, I can't. I'm not gonna throw up. I feel like I gotta throw up. Get Maddie. Maddie's trying to throw up too.
I'm fine.
Whoa, hey, why are you pretending to find out?
Because it's on camera.
Let's hit the track.
You're all down bad.
Phil, thanks for throwing us an epic barbecue.
Anytime, man.
I appreciate you, Phil.
Rebby and I win those shots for the night.
Yeah.
And we're still standing.
She's bragging about losing. Oh shit.
Yeah, but I held my liquor.
Yeah, everybody did. Nobody threw up. I took a little nap and everybody's yelling at me.
Bro, you're not gonna go out.
I'll go out.
Hey, call Dan. If Dan's go down to go out, I'll muster it up.
Hey, let's go.
Alright, call Dan, call Dan.
Yo, are you trying to go out?
If you want.
Hey! Let's go!
Whoa! Alright guys, so about 5 days has passed. I drank a lot and I got hungover, and honestly I was not in the mood to record putting everything back on, but the sway bar install is complete. Throughout the weekday after work, I went ahead and pieced everything back together. The sway bar's on, the splitter's back on, and actually what I did was I picked up a new set of tires. If you guys don't know, for my 19-inch setup, I was running the stock 275/35/19 Pilot Super Sports on the rear, and I moved them to the front onto my onto the ZE40s. But I actually bought Michelin PS4S's 265/35 to match the PS4S's in the rear. I'm super pissed because look, they put white weights and they used hella small weights and left the glue. It looks so ugly now, but it's gonna be used for the track, so we're gonna be okay. So Duncan and Dan are coming over and we're gonna go on a coffee run. Duncan knows this spot that has a couple back roads, so it's gonna be the perfect opportunity for me to test out the sway bar and test out the new tires that I have in the front. I did set the sway bar to its medium setting. If you got the Eibach sway bar, there's 3 different settings. There's soft, medium, and full stiffness. I went with the medium setting first, but I have not driven the car yet, so I get to give you guys honest review, honest feedback on the new setup and see if I can feel any added stiffness, or when I'm taking any corners, if I feel less body roll. Yeah, when they get here, let's go for the drive. All right, y'all, like a dummy, I am currently editing this video literally a day before this is going up, so yesterday in your time. So I wanted to record a driving reaction, and like a dummy, I left my camera in S&Q mode, so it's basically all the footage is slow motion. Luckily enough, I had a rear camera set up in the back to also get a driving POV. So the only footage I can actually use is that one. I hope you guys enjoy it regardless. All in all, I'm very happy with the sway bar. I definitely feel the car is a lot stiffer, especially in turns there's less body roll, and it feels so much more precise. And then with my tire issue that I had before, with the car randomly swaying, the new tires with the sway bar absolutely fixed it. I'm not swaying at high speeds anymore. And in corners, it's not doing that same understeering issue that I used to have. I read on the forums that there was probably an issue with the tires mismatching, or just running 275 35s, too big of a tire in the front. But I don't know what it was, but it fixed my issue, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much if you stayed watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. We just got our energy drinks and coffees, and now I'm just driving the car, and it feels normal. I'm so happy. This feels so good. Oh my gosh. Oh. We're gonna go on the highway in a little bit to Mexico, and I get to bring up the car up to the hundreds, and I get to see if there's any of that weird swing I used to have. But right now, oh my god, this just feels so good. Oh, we're back. Oh, we're back. This feels amazing. Oh, I think the tires in the sway. Oh my god, the car feels so much more precise in corners. Oh. I got the window closed right now because I don't know how well you can hear me, but jeez, that already felt amazing. What the hell? If the car wasn't fixed, I don't know if I could have took it to the track like that. It would have been too dangerous. But now, the car feels so good. So much better. Holy crap. The car feels so good now. What the fuck? But that's all I got for today's video. This ending was super rushed because this video is actually going out tomorrow, and I'm filming it the day before because your boy got too hammered the weekend before, and throughout the whole week I was just paying the price for partying too hard. But nonetheless, it was a great time with the friends. Now I gotta edit this video together. Thank you so much for watching if you stayed all the way to the end, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.